The Belife BVC11 Cordless Vacuum Cleaner boasts impressive suction power, ensuring thorough cleaning with its 38 kilopascals suction strength. Equipped with a powerful 450-watt brushless motor, this vacuum reaches up to 130,000 revolutions per minute, making it ideal for various floor types. Its lightweight design and detachable dust cup make it easy to clean without getting your hands dirty, adding convenience to your cleaning routine. The LED touch display allows you to monitor battery power, suction performance, and troubleshooting, enhancing your smart cleaning experience. Featuring a 6-layer efficiency filtration system, the BVC11 captures 99.99% of fine particles, ensuring purified air for your home. This vacuum cleaner can be easily converted into a handheld device with versatile attachments, perfect for cleaning stairs, cars, and furniture.